Without further ado, we're about to check out IVE HEYA MV. Captions on, 4K. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I never really looked at the teaser or studied the teaser as much. Oh, what we're getting? Oh, look at it, not let's get it. Wait, did she say let's get it or look at it? She did. Okay, she did say let's get it. Look at it. What is that? Okay. Whoa. Ooh, them glasses. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, her hair too is so fire. Ooh. Okay, okay. Ooh. I like the change up right there. Okay, Miss Ma'am. I see you slaying. Per usual. Ooh. Ah, I remember the teaser, yeah. Ooh, let me hear that again. Ooh. Ooh. It's a lot more hidden than I expected with the beat and everything. To be honest, I did say this in the teaser when I said I remember when I heard like hey hey, it kind of reminds me of a song that goes like hey hey hey, like I can't remember where that's from. It's literally triggering something in my mind or my ear holes, but the way it goes in. Ooh, the nails though. Oh my god. Oh, no diggity. Black yeah, that's right. There we go. Thank you, chat. What is this based off of? Like, it's... Ooh, what an interesting start right there. Oh, okay, they slaying. Ah, the shadow of that. Oh, a folklore story. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Hey, yo. You better get yours. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Hey, yeah. Ooh, the little... Ooh, okay. Oh, the change up with the like outfits to light to dark, from dark to light. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. It's a lot more dramatic with the like the instrumental itself. Not like that. Was her mouth lighting up? Wait. Oh. What is that called? The video concept looks like an old Asian painting. It's refreshing to see a song over 3 minutes long in an actual chorus. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I do appreciate the longer songs as well. Okay, so someone explains, for those who didn't understand, the MV tells the Korean folklore of the tiger, the sun, and the moon. In the story, the tiger finds a widow with a food basket for her children, so he devours the widow and the basket. But as he is still hungry, he goes after the widow's children, who runs away climbing a tree. They end up climbing so high to the sky that they become with the sun and the moon. In the envy, the girls represent the tiger, and they are trying to catch the sun and the moon. Okay. What is that? What is that makeup? It opened up like, what is it? Is it like, is that not foundation, but like a pocket mirror? Yeah, there we go. It's like a pocket mirror. Makeup compact. That's what it reminds me. That animation reminds me of Love Die. Oh, I can see that as well, actually.
Let's get it. Pay attention.
So they play as the tigers, trying to chase the moon and sun. I really like the effects in this too. The production in this is actually really nice as well. They are the tigers, obviously, especially when they show the silhouette as well, or like that's with the shadow. Let's go, IVE. Killing it per usual.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.